All right, welcome everyone. My name is K. Michael Russell. I am a comic book colorist, and welcome to my course. This course is going to be a very detailed walkthrough of doing some very finished colors, and I'll give you guys kind of an example, something like this that's very painterly with a lot of detail. It's something that I've had a lot of requests for that I really haven't done before in my other courses, and so I thought that this piece would be a lot of fun to do because I want to sort of demystify this process. So I think when you see all the different layers and how they work together and how simple that this can be, then I think it'll give you guys a lot of confidence and you'll see that it's not the black magic that you might have thought it was. So now I'll be using Procreate in this course, but you should be able to use just about any drawing app that has layers and blending modes and mask and that sort of thing. So like Clip Studio and Krita and all those different things should work too. I won't be able to speak to those as far as questions goes. Procreate and Photoshop are pretty much my go-to, but it should be a lot of fun. And if you're not sure how to import the art into Procreate, or if you're using Procreate, up at the top right, if you click on import. Now I've made this file available in a couple of different ways. There's a JPEG, so if you have one of the smaller iPads, then that might be necessary for you. There's also the Procreate file. Now that's the full 4K resolution file, so again, some iPads might not open that Procreate file, and so I've also made a PSD file available, which should open on pretty much anything. It's a pretty small file. And I've also made the sketch available, which you can't see very well on the screen, but you can see more of it on the actual file. So if anyone here wants to try their hand at inking that, then you could back up a step. But this course is strictly going to be focused on color. Now, disclaimer up front, there are a ton of ways to color things, okay? So this is not meant to be the right way or the only way. This is just how I do things. If you ask 10 colorists how they color, you're probably going to get 10 different answers. So keep that in mind. If you see something that's different than you've seen before, that's probably going to happen because we all kind of work in different ways. My methods for layering and things kind of come from working on monthly comics. There's a lot of things you have to do quickly, and I like to be able to make changes easily, and so I tend to work on a few different layers to make editability very simple to do. And I'll give you guys just a little bit about me. Again, my name is K. Michael Russell. I'm a colorist primarily and digital artist. I've worked on, 80-something comics that have been published. I've got a YouTube channel. I've been teaching art online since 2014 or so. I have students all over the world, and I enjoy this. This is fun for me. So one of the pleasant side effects of being an instructor is, well, you have to understand whatever you're teaching well enough to teach it, but I'm picking things up along the way too. So that's my sinister ulterior motive there for you. So that is enough rambling for the intro. Let's go ahead and get started.